Where can you get an amazing 5-bedroom home within walking distance of the Fruita Community Center and downtown Fruita, all for under $500,000 right here at 1280 Terra Drive? Let's go inside and take a look. This beautiful 1,732 square foot home features an open concept floor plan, vaulted ceiling, hardwood floors, kitchen bar stool seating, and lovely details like the stone gas fireplace behind me. And be sure to check out this backyard outdoor oasis with this private pond water feature, enclosed patio area, fire pit, shed, and RV parking.